Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Hey, welcome people, Dancehall skilla there again. Blessed manners and respect to each and everyone. So, I want to start off by talking about a video that I saw posted on social media for subscribers. See? So, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a motor vehicle that was being operated by someone hit a law enforcer. And based on certain things I'm saying happen in the video, it makes me reach the conclusion and also assume that the law enforcer was somewhat directing traffic, as also some people might say. So I say, now I see more than one wrongs in this whole situation of your subscribers. And let me point out that I know that no one is perfect, but when it comes on to being a law enforcer or doing a job that requires you enforcing the law, sometimes you might have to direct traffic or do certain things, but you should be very careful. Now, one of the main wrongs that we see in the situation is the way how the motor vehicle that has been operated by someone hit the person who said to be a law enforcer. It makes me wonder what that person was thinking during subscribers. You know what I say? Yeah, so as a law enforcer, I know that there are certain things you might have to do, you know, to enforce the law and to, you know, do your duty or your job, as I say, but be careful because I may never know what some people are thinking. I'm wondering what that motorist was thinking during subscribers. Anyways, I don't have any confirmed information to determine where the video was recorded, even though I got unconfirmed information where the video was recorded during subscribers. But anyways, tell me the wrongs then you might see in this situation. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. I am not able to confirm about any injury or anything like that during subscribers. I'm only going by certain things that I saw in the video during subscribers. And in my point of view, please be very careful. You know, it doesn't matter if you're a law enforcer and not pedestrian or motorist. Please be very careful on the road. Use the road safely and look out for each other. Leave a comment or comments, let me know what you think. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, in the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person talked about someone. Some people might say that there's more than one side to a story. Some people might say even more than two. But for now, this is what we have. This video that shows a person. So, more you listen to some words that the person say in the video. Oh, and more you listen to what I would call some type of noise or sounds being made in the background of the video by at least one person. You say at least one person, viewers subscribers. Based on some words that a person said in this video, I'm asking, what would you do if you find yourself in a situation like this? Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
This video is dedicated to Mr. Alexander. You're hearing what's going on right now in my neighborhood? Right? This woman now is accusing me of having a drone, accusing me of doing a lot of wrong things. No, this is what's going on in my neighborhood. They're abusing an elderly, and with that I show the police the evidence. After showing the police the evidence, they realize she bring this man Curtis from Canaham to chop me up. No. This lady continuously harass me like this every single day. Today the police had to come for this lady, bringing the man from Canaham. She is not no family to this man, but doing this deliberately just to join up with this Denise Miguel, knowing that they have Mr. Joseph Selmack abused in a way. They say that I steal $50 from him. I have proper video evidence that I did not steal any money from that guy. No, they're doing this deliberately for to attack them or bringing people and the police knowing that these people are of criminal element and they're doing that. Mr. Alexander, I never alive. I know about hacking nobody's phone. The police came and talked to this lady about that and she keep harassing me like that. So please, I'm putting this video on TikTok for you to be aware of this. I know he is a man that investigate videos properly, and Stefan from Breaking Dawn also is on TikTok. Advocates abuse. This be on TikTok, so I'll appreciate any help with this video. Repost it, TikTok advocate for abuse, because I cannot take it no more. This abuse is overbearing. After watching a man being in the feces there for days and he calling out for help, and then the ambulance called for him. And when the ambulance called for him, this is the result of these people and them knowing that they had to help this girl to make sure that the man die at home. It is very disgusting. I put the video on TikTok and making sure that this video go out. And knowing that children just come here to get their things repaired. And knowing this, she trying to put the train on them up as well. Right? So, this lady have a very insane manner and always going in the station and making false report. Mr. Abraham know of my behavior very well.
If a person, or if anyone at all, somehow believe that a neighbor is doing certain things that is wrong, and if that person decide to go to the police or to report it to the police or so forth, in my point of view, I don't see anything wrong with that, because I think it is one of the best things to do when it comes on to reporting certain things to the police. Even if you yourself believe Saray or whatsoever, you understand? Put it in the hands of the police. No. Me, I look at it this way, that no matter how simple it might seem to you as a law enforcer, sometimes, and a lot of times, you should never take certain things too lightly. So at least look into it and see what I go on. Because look at this video now where this person has said some words pertaining to I'm going to say at least one type of situation. And then the video reach on social media. Some people might be wondering why the person does something like this. But sometimes you have people who will make certain videos and put it on social media to vent and to let others have an understanding as to what might be going on around the person. It's all a way, but think about it. And between me and you, I would rather someone to share whatsoever them think than to go do certain things. And here's my people. What would you do? Well, based on some words that a person say in this video, what would you do when it comes on to some words that the person say in the video or what the person was talking about? Leave a comment or comment section what you think. Now I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show some things that happened when two persons were arguing with each other, or the video is going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between two persons. Now let me tell you something, people. These persons said some words to each other. What could have caused this? I don't know. But the video had been put out there. Somehow, the video caught my attention. Take a look at it for yourself, people. You can hear Jamaican accent in this video, just to make that be clear. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Christ! Me not ask Christ! My bad mind over what? Over what? Over what? Bad mind over what? Over your kitchen? My kitchen bigger than... My kitchen what? Somewhere I built 10 years now. This is what? This is all? 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 You don't have nothing in yourself. You're in a ragga house. You're in a ragga house. But I can't wait for ragga stop play blood. Fool. Ragga for stop play fool. You're there in a ragga house. Ragga house. Me don't want ragga like me, but for stop play fool. Ragga couldn't go be my father, cause ragga fool. Look how y'all live. Look how she live. See her toilet there. Look how she live. Here, watch her. Delusional. 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 They're on the start tiling. See bucket here. See bucket here. Delusional. Delusional. Look how you live. You can't even buy a window yourself.
No worry about that. I'm kitchen over there.
You can't even buy a window. You can't even buy a window. Where kitchen there? Where kitchen there? I'm carry a worry about. You should worry about Kiara. Uno bad mind over Kiara. First somebody start talk about Kiara mother. Look how she live. Look how she live. Look at this. I can't bad mind this. Look how she live. Look. 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 Look how she live. You're washing your living room. You're washing your living room.
You can't put me up. No worry about that.
You can't put it up.
You can't put me up.
You go up.
You're not seeing
You go up.
No.
Going on live good. You wouldn't live good. You live.
Yes, someone.
And my slippers you have in your yard. What you doing with my slippers? My lotion your teeth out. My lotion your teeth out. Hey girl, me never wear nothing for you. But hey girl, go ahead. Hey girl, go and put on my lotion.
Peace, love, and unity. Please let us live in peace, love, and unity. Well, I assume, and I reach the conclusion that yes, there might be at least one disagreement between those persons. Sometimes some person might feel certain ways depending on whatever the disagreement might be about. You understand me? But if we could just find in our heart, if we could just find it deeply in our heart, if we just live in peace, love, and unity. We know that there are persons who hard to live with, you know, don't get me wrong. I know, but still I cry peace. I'm going to just try it. See? But I think here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect to each and everyone. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. And until the next time, I'm in Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?
Dancehall